We have here Nokia microwave equipment, UBTs, ultra broadband transceivers. We have the 18 GHz UBT, two of them here, and we configured this setup to simulate the real-world application. We have one 18 GHz at this side and another 18 GHz UBT at this side. They work in two wave orientation, horizontal and vertical, and we have two attenuators here, which is for two output and input for each of these UBTs. We send from one side in horizontal orientation, the signal comes to this attenuator, and this from this side we receive, and vice versa from the other side to the other UBT. The configuration is quite simple, and we expect if we send a signal from each of these ports, which for data ports, coming from our MSS shelves, we expect to receive exactly the same output from the other ports from the other side. And this actually, as I said, simulates the real-world application, and it's quite functional and robust configuration for microwave, especially for long-distance applications. We use 18 GHz UBTs. Okay, similar to the other configuration, we have again another configuration here that simulates real worlds. We have two UBTs, 80 GHz each, and as you see, these two UBTs are connected as a transmitter and receivers, and from receivers and transmitters, vice versa. We have connected these two through this waveguides configuration and attenuator in the middle. As you see, we have powered these two UBTs through these sockets, which are specific sockets for powering up these UBTs. And we have connected two fiber optics to these ports for each UBTs. This network analyzer doing the traffic analysis for this configuration, we send a signal from one of these ports to these UBTs, and we receive from the other side, and vice versa. We send from these ports and we receive at this side. As you see on this picture, on the screen of this network analyzer, we have transmitting a layer 1, which sent with 6 gigabit per second, and we receive at the other side. And also we send in layer 2 6 gigabit per second, and we receive on the other side as well.